Sight Bites. Answers to questions from the Next Bite website. Brought to you by Purina.
You know, it's real important to choose the right nutrition for your dog, especially when they're eating for more than one, like Kessie here. It's also important to choose the right equipment when walleye fishing. This week's Sight Bite question: what makes the best spinner components for fishing walleyes?
When you first start bottom bouncer and spinner fishing for walleyes, it seems like the pre-packaged spinners are the way to go. The reason for that is because they're easy, but it doesn't take long when you become more of an experienced walleye fisherman with the spinner systems that you're going to want to mix and match color combos, fine-tune the presentation. There's all kinds of components that are sold to do that, from different blades to different bead setups to a body system that Keith and I designed for Bass Pro Shops. Instead of the use of beads, you put on one of these bodies. Saves a lot of time. There's not near the stringing on numbers of beads. The nice thing I like about the bodies is that when they're on the spinner, they rotate on the shaft. And that shows more movement on the spinner itself. So not only the blade turns, but the body turns, and the fish can see that. Now, every year Keith and I teach a walleye school. And one of the reasons that we teach this is because there's always kind of a mystery on how to put the spinners together. The biggest mystery is tying hooks on. There are many ways that you can do that, but it's very difficult. It has been in the past. The only way you can really get a 2-hook or a 3-hook or a single hook and a treble hook combination is to tie it yourself. One of the things, kind of a nice little tip, is along with the components, we've actually had Bass Pro Shops build snells. And we've got snells with hooks in the right sizes. The snells are going to be tied on 15-pound test Vanish leader material, which is a fluorocarbon. And then we're going to get a 2-hook or a 3-hook or a single hook and a treble hook combination. Then you just grab your beads, grab your bodies, grab your blades, string them on, and you have got to the point where you've got a custom presentation.
There you go. On the Next Bite website, you can get answers to your questions like that. You can join our forum, read articles and tips, all on the Next Bite website.